OSD Excel to PDF Conditional Conversion Output. This tutorial we will use Python and the XLS Sheet Order Select parameter. Returning to our animal Excel doc, you will notice that each animal has a number in the upper left in the A1 cell. Some of these numbers are negative. This will be the condition for our outputs. The SBCCMD command will be put into a shell. The input selection is automated as well as the output. You can see for our sheet order, we will use a number string. Using OpenPy Excel library, our script will be able to view the A1 cell and the value of the numbers inside. And if the number is less than 0, it will be added to the string. So let's give our script a click. And the conversion is complete. Let's take a look. Only the animals with negative numbers were converted. The conditions to output are customizable, so you can quickly pull selected sheets from large Excel docs depending on your desired conditions.